Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include heated seats, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, aluminum wheels, floor mats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.